step into the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: cargo shade, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power mirror, adjustable steering wheel, rear reading lamps, bed liner, and aluminum wheels. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.